Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are fine and having a great life. I am back with another lecture and today our topic is present continuous tense. Today we will learn about present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? What is its usage? How do we make sentences of present continuous tense? So let's begin our today topic. Today we have present continuous tense. In Urdu it is called fi'l hal jari. It can be called present progressive tense in Urdu in English. Continuous or progressive are the same. After the usage, where do we use this tense? This tense is used for those actions which are continued at the time of speaking. Whenever we are speaking in front of us, something is happening for a short time. For those actions, we use continuous tense. Like action continue. Those actions which are continue in front of us at the time. At the time when any actions continue, for those actions we use present continuous tense. We have identification. Identification in Urdu, its meaning is shanaft. How do you identify the present continuous tense in Urdu? In Urdu, we identify present continuous tense when at the end of Urdu sentences raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hai. When these come at the end of Urdu sentences, from here we identify this is present continuous tense. After that, come to a form of verb. In progressive tenses or in continuous tenses, in these tenses we use first form of the verb with ing. I for first, V for verb. First form of the verb, ing form, it means first form of the verb is used with ing form in progressive tenses. And after that we have helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Is, are, am. In this tense there are three helping verbs. Is, are and am. Is used with e, she and singular noun. Are is used with you, with a and plural nouns. Am is used just with I. There are Urdu sentences. मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. At the end of Urdu sentences रहा है is coming. वो कहानी लिख रही है. At the end of Urdu sentences रही है coming. वो टीवी देख रहे हैं. At the end of Urdu sentence रहे हैं is coming. So this is the identification of progressive tense or continuous tense in Urdu. In English we identify this tense from helping verbs and first form is ing form. Like there are three helping verbs is, are, am, and after is, are, am, ing form is coming. Where in any sentence helping verbs is, are, am, and after is, are, am, there is ing form is coming. At that time we identify this tense is present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Here are some examples. मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. I am playing cricket. वो कहानी लिख रही है. She is writing a story. वो टीवी देख रहे हैं. They are watching television. With I we use am. With e, she and singular nouns we use is, and with we, they and plural nouns we use her. So whenever you're using I in a sentence, with I we just use am. With she we use is. With e, she and singular noun, and with they we use her. Now after that, now we will learn how to write negative, interrogative, formal, informal sentences of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Like a first sentence we have here, वो कहानी लिख रही है. This is called in Urdu sentence simple sentence, सादा जुमला. And in English it is called this one. She is writing a story. This is called simple sentence. वो कहानी लिख रही है. She is writing a story. This is simple. वो कहानी नहीं लिख रही है. She is not writing a story. This is called negative sentence. क्या वो कहानी लिख रही है? Is she writing a story? This is called interrogative sentence. क्या वो कहानी नहीं लिख रही है? Is she not writing a story? This is called formal sentence, and this is called informal. Now in Urdu formal and formal sentences are same. क्या वो कहानी नहीं लिख रही है? क्या वो कहानी नहीं लिख रही है? But there is different in English. How to write interrogative sentences, formal and formal sentences in English. Like is she not writing a story? This is formal. In formal we don't use contracted forms. We just write them separate, is plus not. And in contracted form, in informal sentences we use contracted form. Like is plus not is called isn't. So in formal sentences we use. In informal sentences we use contracted forms, and in formal sentences we write them separate, is plus not. So when their contracted forms are there in a sentences, so at that time we identify this is informal sentences. Like a simple sentence, in simple sentence there is no any not, there is no any question mark. In negative sentence there is not is coming, so identify this negative sentence. In interrogative sentence, just happy word come at the beginning of sentence and there is sign of question. This is the identification of interrogative sentence. Informal sentence, helping word plus not is coming. Two things and plus sign of question. Three things are there in formal sentence. From where we identify this is interrogative sentence. And isn't, when isn't, Haran and aren't come at the end of Urdu's English sentence, at that time we identify these are informal sentences. Like is plus not is called isn't, are plus not is called aren't, and am plus not is called aren't. When am is coming, like I am I not. Teaching you. When there is I in a sentence, with I we use am. So when we make it contracted form, we say aren't I. Aren't I teaching you like this? I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching my video up to the very end. If there is any question, any problem you are facing regarding present continuous tense in a form of verb or in any sentence, just comment below and I will give you answer. Thank you.